Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. This is the Ducabike Adjustable Rearset. There's a lot for us to unpack in this video, so we're just gonna kind of start diving in by talking about what comes in the box when you receive your packaging. Everything we're pulling out of this packaging, they're all CNC machined out of billet aluminum. The base plate for the rear sets, the adjustable rear sets, they're anodized in black, and that color is gonna stay static throughout any other colorway you choose to go with to match with your bike, and they look absolutely beautiful. The secondary color can be customized where you can get it in a few different colorways: red, gold, natural, and in black. So you have the freedom to kind of make it your own, make it match your bike, or accent the bike. All right, let's keep it moving. The base plate for the adjustable rear set, that's gonna be CNC machine out of billet aluminum. That piece of the adjustable rear set will be in anodized black, and you can see all of the details of how the precision work was applied when it was being built. The secondary component, which is the adjustable levers, the brake lever and the shifter lever, can come in several colorways: red, black, gold, and natural. So this is going to give you a little bit of flexibility to either tie in the colorway of your motorcycle or maybe add an accent piece. Pretty much all the hardware will be included for this installation, minus a few washers that you're going to have to recycle from your OEM parts of your original rear set, but pretty much everything that's needed will be included. They also include a new brake switch, in this case of the Ducati Street Fighter V4S. They've even managed to throw in Loctite. That means it is crucial for you to Loctite everything, torque down every single bolt, because this is an adjustable rear set. It could be moved around, so you're more likely to have moving parts while you're out there on the road. So you want to make sure you follow each steps, torque spec, what needs to be greased, what needs to be Loctite before completing the installation. Another thing that's in the box that I'm always very happy to see, it's a 2-page instructional manual that shows you pretty much every step and detail that's required for you to complete this installation. What's gonna need to be greased, what's gonna need to be Loctite, torque specs, and a detailed diagram of how everything goes. So part of the hardware that Ducabike has included, 2 little hardware pieces, dictates on how you're gonna install the rear set. These are where you get to change your positions. So you have 2 connections here, 6 here and then 6 at the bottom. If you're going to mount your rear set to the furthest back and upper, you would basically use the longer extension for your shift rod. If you're going towards the front positioning, you would have to use the shorter extension for your shift rod. These 2 components are not leftover pieces. They're used based on how you want to do your installation. The Ducabike adjustable rear pegs has quite a bit of features and benefits. Whether you intend to apply it to a dedicated track bike or put it on your daily street motorcycle. It has 6 adjustable foot position that you can adjust it to your own liking, sealed ball bearing gear lever, folding foot pegs. You can do regular shifting or GP shifting. You can also use some of the OEM components that's already part of your motorcycle, ranging from your heel guard and quick shifter. This is the part of the video you ask yourself, is it worth it? And there's quite a few answers to that question. If you were to crash your motorcycle, it's going to be a great opportunity for you to actually remove the OEM, what's damaged, to something that's way better. You do have the option to set it up in multiple ways, not just how it came from the factory based on one person setup. You can set it up, where it's more comfortable, where it's a lot lower. Other cases, let's say if you're gonna be using this as a track bike, you're gonna need a lot more clearance. So meaning you're gonna put up your foot pegs a lot higher and a lot further back. So when you're leaning at a certain angle, you don't have to worry about any peg scrapes or anything like that. It's gonna give you the proper feel while you're on the track. I've also seen where people are a little bit shorter, they have shorter inseams, where they have issues when they're leaning off their bikes, they might be sliding off their pegs. You're gonna have maximum grip with these foot pegs. You're not gonna have any of that slide. You can put it in a place where you're comfortable and you don't feel hesitant. So in other cases, for example, some people love having GP shifting on their motorcycle. They feel like It's a lot faster. You can actually shift in a corner. I mean, that's expert level stuff right there. Pushing down to shift up gears is gonna shave off a lot of time off your track days. But it's different for everybody. Some people are just out there having a good time. So you do have that option available to you as well. Now, my favorite part as to why I would highly recommend, and it's totally worth you getting the Ducabike Adjustable Rear Set. It's the fact that it's modular. As you can see, when I took it out the box in the very beginning, everything is broken up into pieces. Whether your foot peg gets damaged, the folding foot pegs, you can replace it. Whether part of the rear set gets damaged, you could replace it. The base plate, if you manage to break that, I mean, it'd have to be a really rough day. You can replace that as well. So everything is modular and everything has their own part number. So it's fairly easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for if you encounter those issues. You know, outside of it being modular and the fact that you can adjust it to the height that you want, the way you want to ride, that's more than enough for me. And if you're looking for a little bit of styling to add to that, come on, hard, difficult. It is to install this yourself, and is it something that I can do, or do I have to take it to the dealer? Ducabike's approach is something that I really think is very interesting. Whether we're great with our hands or not, we love working on our bike and we make an attempt, and they've made it as simple as possible for you to follow these instructions if you are inclined to actually take on the task. It's pretty straightforward. It's not that difficult at all. The only component I think that might be a bit of a challenge in my case for the Ducati Street Fighter V4S is the rear brake switch. In some cases I've seen where people remove their brake switch completely. That's a complete no-go. This is the last thing that I have to mention about the Ducabike Adjustable Rear Set, guys. This is my constructive feedback for Ducabike. I understand this is a modular setup that you can pick and choose how you want it to be, the color, the styling. It pains me to see that you have to use the OEM hill guard that comes with your Ducati Street Fighter V4S. The setup scheme for the Ducabike Adjustable Rear Set is a base color of black, which is the main component. It should have came with a black CNC machine hill guard. I know you have the option to get a carbon fiber one separately and then install it, but having to revert back to the OEM hill guard, which completely break the look, the entire black and red colorway, and then you have a brush metal that's on the back, I feel like it's a little off. It should have included, even if it was a cheaper piece of billet aluminum that's anodized in black, that would look dope. With the option to buy the carbon fiber, that's cool. But having to throw on a black rear set with the red accent, let's say if you went with the gold accent, or if you went with the all black accent, now you have this metal hill guard that's just like a silver, which break the look. It breaks the illusion, in my opinion. So that's my constructive feedback for Ducabike. Take it as you will. Drop a comment down below. Let me know. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop motivationusa.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.